Hey guys, welcome back. This is Tyler from Today's Passion. I wanted to give you guys a quick tour of my homemade tool storage boxes. They're all traditional wood joinery, minus these little blocks of wood holding up these shelves. I think I just ran out of time getting those grooves cut out, so I just decided to put those up with that. Um, I'm a new channel. Please be a little considerate in my novice beginner abilities at traditional woodworking. I'm trying to grow and learn. Hoping to get your guys' feedback and comments, if you would, on what you'd like to see different, things you think I could do better, and maybe a little bit more detail on specifically how to do better. But yeah, I'll go over the tools that I got in these boxes. I built these boxes with the specific tools in mind. So I got my sander, jigsaw, rotary tool, sawzall, and the mini skill saw. Like and subscribe, guys. I appreciate it.